Good morning, students. Welcome to IIT Maths online classes. I regularly watch my videos, children. Okay, very good. So, what we learned in the previous lessons? So, we are learning polynomials and algebraic expressions. So, you can remember all those things to find HCF and LCF of polynomials. So, I will ask some questions to you, children. What is a constant? Do you know? A symbol or quantity which have fixed numerical value is called constant. What is a variable? A symbol or quantity which takes different numerical values are called variables. Variables generally we denote by English small alphabet. So that's why variables also called literals. What is an algebraic expression? A combination of constants and variables by using four mathematical operations or all at a time. That is called algebraic expressions. What is the term? If you separate the constant variables by plus or minus is called term, or otherwise a combination of a constant or variables or both by using mathematical operation into or division is called a term. 2x, 3x, 2x square, 5x by y, like that are called terms. What are the like terms? So like terms are nothing but the exponent and variables are same. That means x square, 3x square, 4x square, 5 by 6x square. Here x square is common. Variable and exponent is common. The numerical coefficient different are called like terms. Otherwise they are called unlike terms. Okay. So next, what is polynomial? An algebraic expression containing positive integral powers is called polynomial. So we saw types of polynomials. So based on the degree, based on the terms. So based on the terms, a polynomial containing only one term is called monomial. A polynomial containing two terms is called binomial. A polynomial containing three terms is called trinomial. Monomial, binomial, trinomial. Based on degree, a polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. A polynomial having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. A polynomial degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial or quartic polynomial. Like that we learn. So come to LCM and HCF. In previous classes, that means in 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th class, that means present class, we know about LCM and HCF of numbers. So what is LCM? Least common multiple. So how many methods are there to find LCM? Mainly three methods: multiples method, prime factorization, synthetic division method. What is HCF? Highest common factor. How many methods are there to find HCF? Three methods: common factors method, prime factorization, continuous division method. We know about number system. So once again, what is a factor? What is a multiple? If a number p divides another number q, then q is called multiple of p. P is called divisor or factor of q. For example, see here, 12 is divided by 4. For how much are 12? 4 3s are 12. So 4 is called what? Factor. 12 is called multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. 12 is not only multiple of 4, it is of course multiple of 2, 3, 4, 6 itself also. But in this question, if 12 is divided by 4, so hence 4 is called factor. Factor another name what, children? Divisor. Divisor. 12 is called multiple or here dividend. Understood? These things we learn in the number system. So same concept we applied in the polynomials. HCF and LCM of polynomials. So before we are discussing about this HCF and LCM, first of all, you know about addition of polynomials, subtraction of polynomials, multiplication of polynomials and division of polynomials. Okay, children? So we'll see one example how to add the polynomials. Add x cube, x square, 2x, 3x cube plus 6x. Or take one more constant. So how to add these two polynomials? So addition is nothing but we can know the concept of like terms and unlike terms. First of all, we can arrange all the like terms, then take common exponent with a variable. So unlike terms leave it last. So see here. So here we have two methods, horizontal method and column method. Any method you can choose. So see, I will write x cube plus x square minus 2x adding with 3x cube plus 6x minus 7. So in this two polynomials, first arrange x cube. Here what is the like term? X cube term 3x cube. Next x square term here. Here any x square term here is there? No need to write. Next x term minus 2x. Here x term 6x. So constant leave it last. Okay, children. Now x cube, 3x cube what? Like terms. X square is different, only one term is there. Here minus 2x, 6x are like terms. Constant is there, leave it. Now x cube common. Here 1x cube plus 3x cube, how much? 4x cube. X square single term is there, write it same. Now minus 2x plus 6x, how much, children? Plus 4x. Why? Because 6x minus 2x is nothing but 4x. Now write constant. This is addition of polynomials. Okay, children? Now we will say subtraction with same example. How to find subtraction? See, subtract from this value. X cube plus x square minus 2x, subtract from 3x cube plus 6x minus 7. See, first write this value. 3x cube plus 6x minus 7 minus, you can subtract this value, x cube plus x square minus 2x. Okay, children? Here minus I applied because we are applying here subtraction operation. So again same, 3x cube plus 6x minus 7. Now these three terms multiply with minus. Minus x cube plus into minus minus x square minus into minus plus 2x. Next, separate the like terms. X cube term here, x cube term. 3x cube minus x cube. So 3x cube minus x cube. Next, here x term is there, here x term is there. but x square term not there. Here write this first x square term. Why? Because we are arranging in descending powers. Minus x square plus 6x plus 2x minus 7. Okay children. Now 3x cube minus x cube how much? 2x cube minus x square. 6x plus 2x how much children? 8x minus 7. So this is the answer for this question. Are understood? So subtraction is nothing but 8 inverse only. Okay. So like that you can find subtraction between the polynomials. Are understood? How to find addition of polynomials, how to find subtraction of polynomials. Both concept you can use like terms and unlike terms concept. Now we'll see how to multiply of the polynomials. Okay. So multiplication we'll see. For example, x square plus 2x minus 7 multiply with x cube minus x. Okay children, this polynomial multiply with this polynomial. This is what? Trinomial. This is a binomial. So how to multiply generally for numbers? Same procedure apply children here. So see all of you, write the polynomial x square plus 2x minus 7 with x cube minus x. Here 3 times there, here 2 times there. That's why from the right hand side polynomial, first term you can choose, that is what? X cube. This x cube multiply this 3 times individually, that is x square into x cube plus 2x into x cube minus 7. That means if you write plus here minus 7 into x cube 3 times over. Next plus x square into minus x plus 2x into minus x plus minus 7 into minus x. Understood? These 3 terms individually multiply with x cube and x here. X square into x cube plus 2x into x cube plus minus 7 into x cube. Again with minus x. X square into minus x plus 2x into minus x plus minus 7 into minus x. Next simplify x square into x cube. We know laws of exponents. We learn in the 7th class. What is that? A power m into a power n is equal to what children? A power m plus n. Now 2 plus 3 how much? 5. X power 5 plus 2x. Here 2 into 1 2 only. X into x cube x power 4 plus into minus 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 7 into x cube. Next x square into minus x what? Minus x cube. Next plus into minus minus 2x into x 2x square. Only one constant minus 2, right? X into x square. Minus into minus children plus 7x. Now if any like terms are there, you can add or subtract. Otherwise you can write separately. Highest power x power 5, one term only there. 2x power 4, 2x power 4, right? Minus 7x cube minus x cube how much children? Minus 8x cube. Okay, because both are negative. Minus 2x square plus 7x. So this is the answer for multiplication of these two polynomials. Understood? Okay. Now we will see division of polynomials. For example, divide x square minus 4x plus 4 by x minus 2. So how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial? So here different methods are there children. So already I will explain about remainder theorem and factor theorem. By using the help of factor theorem also you can find the quotient, or otherwise by using division method also. So division method I will explain how to divide the polynomial. First write the polynomial x square minus 4x plus 4. This is divided by x minus 2. So how to divide it? So first of all, you can select the first term of the dividend. What is the first term here? X square. Now this x square divided by divisor first term what? X. Simplify children, what we got? X. That value right here. Understood? So in division method, polynomial, first of all, write the dividend. Open the brackets. Write the divisor. Now you can choose first term of the dividend. That is nothing but x square. That is divided by first term of the divisor. That is nothing but here x. Simplify. What is the answer? You got it? X. That x you can write here. Now this x multiply this divisor. X into x, x square minus 2 into x minus 2x. You can observe clearly this video children, how I am doing the division. Okay. First of all, I can select the first term of the dividend, x square. Again, first term of the divisor, x. Both are simplified. The simplified value write in the quotient place. Now write this quotient along with this divisor, total divisor. If 2 times there, 3 times there, whatever it may be. Total divisor multiply with this resulted value. So x into x, x square minus x into 2x minus 2x. Now subtraction we know. X square minus x square cancel. Now minus 4x, minus into minus is children plus 2x. Minus 4x plus 2x what children? Minus 2x, because nothing but negative value is more, positive value less. So right here minus 2x plus 4, keep it down. Again same process. What is the first term here? Minus 2x. Here what is the first term here? By x. Simplify minus 2. This minus 2 right here. Now minus 2 into x minus 2x. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. Now subtract, cancel 0. What we got? X minus 2. So when you divide x square minus 4x plus 4 by x minus 2, what is the answer children? X minus 2. This is the way to find division of the polynomials. Understood? Here what is the factor? X minus 2. Once again, what is the meaning of factor? Factor is nothing but it divides the given value exactly. Understood? 6 is the factor of 12. Why? Because 6 exactly divides 12. That's why 6 is called factor of 12. Here also x square minus 4x plus 4 is exactly divided by x minus 2. That's why x minus 2 is called factor of x square minus 4x plus 4. Understood how to divide it and what is the meaning of factor. So by using the meaning of factor, here we find HCF, highest common factor, and LCM, least common multiple of polynomials. So this is a lesson very important. So before going to this main topic, one more concept is there, that is factorization. So what is the factorization? So listen carefully. What is factorization? Okay, look at the board children. Are observing? So you can observe the video 1 or 2 times. You please note it down. Then only understood the concept. When an algebraic expression can be written as the product of 2 or more expressions, then each of these expressions is called a factor of the given expression. Understood? For example, x square minus 36 is an algebraic expression. I will write x plus 6 into x minus 6. Multiply x into x, x square, plus 6 into x, 6x. Minus 6 into x, minus 6x. Plus into minus, minus 36. So you got again this one. Now each one is called factor of x square minus 36. Understood? when an algebraic expression can be written as the product of two or more expressions, then each of these expressions is called a factor of the given expression. Understood? Like that, we can find HCF of monomials and LCM of monomials. What is HCF of monomials? Highest common factor of the monomials. Monomial means single terms. What is LCM of monomials? Least common multiple of the monomial, single terms. So how to find these two values? Look at the board. So how to find the HCF of polynomials? So first of all, we can find the HCF of the monomials. See here, I will explain. Look at the board, children. HCF of 3x square and 2x. So first to write 3x square. How to write, children? 3 into x. Like general in number system, how can you do same procedure, children? 3x square, write 3 into x. 2x, how to write? 2 into x. So HCF, how many methods there to find HCF? 3 methods. Factors method, prime factorization method, division method. If you take factors method, here see, children, highest common factor. Here 3 not there, leave it. What is there common? X and x. So that means HCF of monomial is nothing but HCF of numerical coefficient into highest common factor. That means what here? Numerical coefficient not there common. So only x is there. So HCF of these monomials are what? X. Now come to HCF of polynomials. See, look at the board. HCF of numerical coefficient into each common factor raised to lowest power. So what is common factor? For example, x square plus, see, x square plus x cube is there. What is common factor if you take x square? So x square common means 1 plus x. See here, in x square plus x cube, what is the common factor? If you take x square common, 1 plus x, this is called common factor. Now here, HCF of polynomial is nothing but HCF of numerical coefficient into each common factor raised to lowest power. For example, find HCF of x square plus xy and x square minus y square. First take this polynomial x square plus xy. First write common factor. What is common here? X common. So x into x square. That's why inside the bracket you write x plus x. Already take common. What is the remaining? Y. So this is the common factor for this first polynomial. Second polynomial, x square minus y square is equal to, how to write? We know algebraic identity. A plus b whole square is equal to what formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square formula what? A plus b into a minus b. A minus b whole square formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. These identities we learn in the 7th class. So here x square minus y square, how to write? X minus y into x plus y. Now come to HCF of this polynomial. Highest common factor of the numerical coefficient. Here no number is there, leave it. Each common factor raised to lowest power. HCF means lowest power, LCM means highest powers. See here, x plus y. Here x minus y, x plus y. See, x plus y power 1, x plus y power 1. So x plus y power 1 is not x plus y. This is HCF of these two polynomials. Understood? So LCM of polynomials. So LCM of polynomials, how to find? LCM of numerical coefficient into each factor raised to highest power. Highest power. Same like HCF model only. Here only changes LCM of polynomials equal to LCM of numerical coefficient into each factor raised to highest power. So for example, take here LCM of x square plus xy and x square minus y square. First write common factor x square plus xy. How to write? X into x plus y. x square minus y square, how to write? X minus y into x plus y. Now LCM. Here no numerical coefficient is there, leave it. X power nothing means here 1. Here anything there? Not there. But also write x into x plus y is there, x plus y is there. X plus y. X minus y, all one term is there, x minus y. So this product of x into x plus y into x minus y is the LCM of these two polynomials. Understood? Today class, what we learn? Basic terms of algebra. So types of polynomials, how to add the polynomials, how to subtract the polynomials, how to multiply the polynomials, how to divide the polynomials, and factorization, how to find HCF of polynomials, how to find LCM of polynomials. You can observe the video 1 or 2 times and pause it, and you can note it down on your running notebook. Or understand, children? Okay, thank you for all of you.